Hey, what's up? It's the Nomad Brad, and I want to show you one simple trick, a tweak that you can make in about 5 seconds that is going to probably, no kidding, double your profits with Bing ads, okay? All right, so this is something that I do on every single one of my campaigns. By the way, I'm the Nomad Brad. I have a program called the Bing Ads Bootcamp. You can learn more about in the description below, but I have now had a couple hundred students come through the program, and so I've gotten to see, what makes the biggest difference for people. And I think that definitely this for myself and my clients as well is the thing that makes the biggest difference. So if I had to do one thing to any client that came to me to instantly make them more money, this is the one thing that I would do. All right, so when you create your account, or campaign, you create your campaign, whatever. Obviously, I would do specific settings depending on the campaign here, but this part isn't the important part. So whatever. All right, so you've got your ad set up here, and then when you go down to ad distribution, you want to select the one of these two options. So in a lot of cases, the second option will actually perform better. A lot of people don't use this option, or they think that it's like junk traffic from advice from a few years ago, but that's not the case. It's actually really good traffic, and there's a lot of it, and it tends to be cheaper than the Bing traffic. So basically, this is the syndicated search partners. So it's like a big network of websites that allow Bing to run their ads on it. And you want to, most importantly, create a separate either ad group or campaign for each of these. So you want the Bing, AOL, and Yahoo search owned and operated to be in one ad group. And then you want the Bing, AOL, and Yahoo syndicated search partners to be in a separate ad group. So keep those things separate. That's going to allow you to optimize your campaigns much easier and much better. It's very likely that one of them converts and the other does not. A lot of times Bing will be way more expensive, so the syndicated lets you get conversions for a lot cheaper. And this single change has the biggest impact on clients' accounts. It should have the biggest impact on your campaigns as well. So definitely go rock that. If you want to know a quick trick that I use, I actually use the Bing Ads editor to duplicate. So I'll create one of the first campaign using this option, click save, and then after that I will open up the campaign in the Bing Ads editor and then simply copy and paste this ad group, and then just change the option in there to the syndicated, or vice versa. If I create the syndicated first, then I will copy and paste and then change it to Bing, and name it Bing as well. So you need two ad groups every time you create a campaign. One is Bing, one is syndicated. This could be the reason that your campaigns haven't been profitable. A lot of times it is because they're all mixed together and it's giving priority to one or the other. All right, so check below this video for some links to help you out, some free training, also link to my video about how to use the Bing Ads editor if you don't know what that is. And hopefully this makes you a lot of money. And let me know in the comments below what your experience is with this setting change and how you've used it. Thank you so much, and I will see you later.